Hello guys, in this video we would learn how we can create a Laravel API project for our Flutter app. So this is our simple Flutter app where we have login and register screen. So we would need API for this login and register screens to register a user. So let's open the XAMPP control panel. And in the manage server tabs we would start the Apache server and the MySQL database. When it turns to green, then it means that our MySQL database and Apache server is running perfectly. Then we would open the application folder, and here in htdoc directory we would open the Laravel folder in the terminal. Once that folder open in the terminal, next we would create a new Laravel project. So we would type a command Laravel new live chat API. So this would start creating Laravel project. So first we would select the Laravel starter kit. So we would select the Laravel Jetstream kit. Then next we would select Livewire, and here we would select the API support. In the next framework type we would select the PHP unit. So it would start creating Laravel project. Then in the next step it would ask for the database type you want to use there. So I would select MySQL database, and in the next step I would skip the migration for now, and let's continue the installation steps. And in the last step it would ask again for the migration of tables, so I would skip that again. So our Laravel project is created. Now we would open the Laravel project in our VS Code. Change the directory to live chat API, and we would open it in the VS Code.